last team they beat in the quarterfinals. They apparently spent close to about the entire budget of what Shillong Lajong's budget is for the entire season. So that tells you all about football. Football is not about the money spent. Football is not about the value of a player. Football is all about that 90 minutes. Come that 90 minutes, all 11 players on that field have a very good chance of taking that game away from you. And that is what Shillong Lajong have displayed so well in this entire competition. All roads, of course, are leading to the Nehru Stadium in Lajong, Meghalaya. Side perspective. Taking that corner, no, nonetheless, is their captain, Hardy Nongri, who's going to be given that responsibility all evening long. He's taken a big call, Pedro Benali, by benching the tournament's top scorer. Let's see how it comes off. First corner for Shillong Lajong Football Cup. Put in there straight away. All the way in football. Here comes Shillong Lajong again. We've been all in Shillong Lajong. As far as the Northeast United defensive half is concerned, so many stories with this team. Ronnie Wilson taking that throw. Paul Lajong and getting a with a specialist. Puts in the ball. Hardy Nongri. It's a good one again. Numbers inside the box. And now come Northeast United. Straight away on second division of Indian football. And that's, of course, is getting those big scalps. And that's the beauty of competitions like these, Henry. Everyone has the chance to dream. You just got to dare to dream and take that chance.
Yes, that's exactly what we want in Indian football. You know, every team, whether you're a second division or third division, you need to have that chance, that opportunity to really rub shoulders with the top teams in Indian football. And that's where the interest, the enthusiasm grows. And this is one of the examples. And this man, Jermor, we are wondering why he's on the bench. But then comes strategy.
Lester Albiak, meanwhile, trying to take the shot.
Every time the ball is left loose in the middle of the park, you see the number of red shirts just pressing onto the ball, not giving that space required from Northeast United. That's going to trouble them.
Yeah, Everbright Sana down that left flank. He looked good in their last game as well versus Imami East Bengal. He looks like a busy player. Pedro Benali, of course, is not too happy with the way his team has started. Looking a little animated down that touchline. Because clearly the home side has started this game better. Nonetheless, a few positive signs with that last track from Northeast United. And here they come again. Here's Thoy Singh. But rather it's Ajare now. Bit of combination between... Yeah, they've travelled. Not the most numbers. Close to about 200, 250 members of that Northeast United or Highlander Brigade have travelled to support their team.
Yes, if you look at Frankie, you know, the way he got that first touch inside on the line, he tried to get through the defender. He was not going to be left. Look at that touch. Nicely kept the ball in and then scooped that ball beautifully to get behind the defender. What a fantastic technique that is.
Yeah, fast legs. Quickly change your direction. Samte, of course, coming a little late at the time, making that challenge. Getting the first booking of this game. There's going to be an interesting battle throughout the entire 90 minutes. Frankie Boam versus Samte. How does he handle the pressure from that young man? He's banging in the goals as far as the Reliance Youth League is concerned. Now, of course, has made that step up into senior football. And it looks like it's paying dividends for Shillong Lajong. Hardy Nongri, captain, yet again. Puts in a ball, gets the man in front of him, Jitin.
Thoy Singh at the end of a beautiful cross, silencing the Nehru Stadium in Shillong.
English clubs in the direction of which I quite a lot to do. First touch, this is for the first time being shown by hitting the back of the net in his second chance. But all that is done and dusted. That was in the first half. It's time to focus on the second half. Leicester putting in that ball.
It's going to be interesting. Ideas coming into the game.
They showed some discipline in that first half. Against not just about doing enough. We show that it's in favor of Shaw. It's 3 minutes. Acharya has done his job. He's done his job beautifully. And if you thought Acharya was tough to handle, just wait for Ian. Samir. On to Jithan. Combining with Jithan. Samir puts in the first close to passing again. This time picked up by Maris Tuid. Out to the Northeast United. It's met. It's got a second goal for Northeast United. It's been taken out. And it is Reeves. He's left 20 caps. Seems to have guessing he's going to be seeing the yellow card soon.
Position and